Here in Wisdom Forest, I learned how to make chocolate from the cacao bean to the finished product of chocolate. There's way much more to it than just buying, opening, and eating it. A few weeks ago, we done a workshop about it, and I make a really nice video about it. Before you see it, press that or that one or that one. Not sure. Subscribe button. Anyway, subscribe. You know where the link is. Before we get to eat chocolate that we buy from the supermarket, somebody needs to make that chocolate. First, cacao tree needs to grow. It's the one right behind. Cacao tree needs to have fruits. That fruit needs to be harvested. Somebody needs to open it and take cacao beans out of the fruit.
I think the window, how is it?
So when we have beans, we need to put them 3 to 5 days in the water to ferment and then dry them on the sun until they're ready. Then those cacao beans, we roast them. We peel them.
Voy a congelar para mí.
Making chocolate. When we peel them, then we grind them.
¿Y cómo encontraste?
Then we get cacao that we know.
Es súper linda, pero igual en todo Colombia la gente.
And then, from cacao, we make a chocolate.
Grinder and it's more like spray.
How much it goes?
What? Like what?
Y cuando está listo para el otro, o sea,
We're just adding a flavor to a chocolate. Some of them it's banana, some of them it's ginger, and some of them it's mint. It will be delicious. Panela con agua. Sí.
Pues cuando vaya acá empiezo a ver.
You can take one.
Bye-bye. Good night. Nos vemos. Document.
Check that light.
Homemade real chocolate. Delicious. Seeing all this process of chocolate making from the bean to the chocolate, I really learned how to appreciate chocolate more than before. And every time when I eat chocolate from this moment on, I will think about this moment and about this workshop and how chocolate is actually made.